This is Flip TV. President Bola Tinubu has formally forwarded the 2026 to 2028 medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper to the National Assembly, requesting speedy approval. The letter, read by the Deputy President of the Senate, Barrow Jibrin, during Thursday's plenary, confirms that the documents were approved by the Federal Executive Council on December 3rd, 2025. President Tinubu said the 2026 national budget will be prepared strictly in line with the fiscal assumptions and parameters outlined in the approved MTEF and FSP. He therefore urged lawmakers to give what he called expeditious legislative actions to his submission in order to keep the 2026 budget process on schedule. Following the President's request, the Senate referred the document to the Committee on Finance, directing it to report back to the Chamber by December 17. The Senate is expected to scrutinize the framework in details as Nigerians await the shape and priorities of the 2026 national budget. Flip TV will continue to bring you more updates on these developing stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.